Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use related lists in Zoho Inventory. Related lists are a powerful way to display custom data alongside your items, whether that's pulling information from other Zoho modules or even third-party services. This feature gives you much more flexibility in how you organize and view your inventory data. Let's walk through how to set this up. First, open your browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once you're there, log into your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your main dashboard where all your inventory management tools are accessible. Now look up to the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a gear icon. This represents your settings menu. Click on it to access all the configuration options available for your Zoho Inventory account. This is where you can customize various aspects of how your inventory system operates. In the Settings area, locate the Module Settings section. Under the General tab, you'll find an option labeled Items. Click on Items to access the specific settings for how your inventory items are managed and displayed. This section controls everything related to item configuration. From the top menu within the Item Settings, you'll see several tabs and options. Look for and select Related Lists. This is where you'll manage all the custom data views you want to attach to your inventory items. Related lists let you extend the default information shown for each item. To create a new related list, click the plus New Related List button. This opens up the configuration interface where you'll define exactly what data you want to display and how it should appear. First, enter a title for your related list in the list name field. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what information this list will show. This name will appear as a tab or section when viewing your inventory items. Next, define the visibility settings by selecting which users can see this related list. This is important for controlling access to sensitive information and ensuring team members only see data relevant to their roles. Now comes the technical part. You'll need to write or paste a Deluge script into the script editor. Deluge is Zoho's scripting language, and this is what actually fetches the relevant data from Zoho Inventory or any connected third-party services. The script determines what information gets pulled and how it's structured. Finally, click Save or Save and Execute to run the script and create your related list. If you choose Save and Execute, the system will immediately process your script and populate the related list with data. And that's it. You've successfully set up a related list in Zoho Inventory, giving you customized data views that make managing your inventory much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.